Nunam swartha paro lokho na veda parasankatam yadi vedanaya cheta neti nah yadishvaraha. Those who are too self-interested beg something from others, not knowing others' pain. But if the beggar knew the difficulty of the giver, he would not ask for anything. Similarly, he is able to give charity, does not know the beggar's difficulty, for otherwise he would not refuse to give the beggar anything he might want as charity. So, where we have a situation of Dadichi, Dadichi is in a very advanced position, spiritually advanced position. And look at the Devatas, they're asking for his life. They're so much focused. Now, suppose somebody comes to you, give your body to me. I want the bones. Who will give? So Dadji therefore jokes. He said, you don't know the pain of death? And life is so important. That's why if somebody wants to, how do they do? They come with a gun and they put on the head. Give me everything. Or they show knife. And we just say, please take everything. Leave me alone. Because people are more interested in preserving the body than anything else. So he jokes with the Devatas in this way. Actually, in one way, sense, he is being very humble. He wants to hear some spiritual knowledge from the Devatas. At the same time, he is trying to shake Devatas out of their illusion. So much they are focused on their own comfort and position that they are not just care. What are they doing? Would you do that? Go to some sage and say, please, I want your body, this kidney, liver, I need to live. Nowadays that is also there. So many parts of the world, they remove kidney and liver forcefully from people and they sell it. You know that? They call it organ harvesting. Just like you harvest crop, they harvest organs. And mostly the victims are poor people in Africa, or the people are refugees, so no place, they're just running for their life. And they just cut open and they throw them like you throw an animal after that, not even stitches done properly. So they very strange, somebody can do that, you can ask, but mind is very crazy, for our own satisfaction. We have seen people kill their own parents sometimes. They kill their brothers, they kill their parents. It has happened in the history. How many dynasties it happened in India? The people killed their own parents and they became a king, very happy. True, we have seen these situations. People are just because more and more somebody becomes self-interested, he becomes blind. And now Prabhupada is putting a very advanced teaching. So let us put it into the perspective. Something I was thinking, how to give a public lecture. So I thought develop in a very basic way. We know that example of the liquid beauty, everybody knows. The woman, one person was chasing a woman. So the woman said, wait for 15 days. And he came to her after 15 days. She was very weak because she had been starving for 15 days and were vomiting and passing loose motion by medicines. And he could not recognize her. And she said, and he was insisting, where is the beauty? And she says the beauty is separated from her. And she shows the pots of urine and stool and vomit. So this is the first level of sanity when you become a human being. Manushyana sahasreshu kashidatati siddhe. The first you become a human being when you understand that this is nonsense. But it's not easy. When a person, this much is at least understood, it's an illusion. The beauty in this world is an illusion. So Tamasic man still runs after it, even though it's a fact, and he does all kind of sinful activities to enjoy this false beauty. Correct? Enough examples we get in the newspaper every day, where people are enchanted by this false beauty, and they're ready to do anything adharmic, sinful, to do it. So what is dharmic then? Dharmic means this beauty, you deal with it in a way you will not go mad. That is dharmic. But you can't create that because you don't know the science of the mind, you don't know science of the soul, and you don't know science of the body. So therefore, acharyas, that's called any religion, they give some rules and regulation by which you deal with this beauty. That is called marriage. And different cultures, they have somehow adopted the system. But still you are in illusion. But instead of getting into a situation where you cannot come out, if you go in a dharmic way to marriage, you can come out of the ensnarement and what do you say, kind of attachment, kind of you're completely dazzled by this beauty. You're not able to come out. So therefore, one way is sinful, and you go to hell after that, because there is no way you can come out of it if you do not follow the rules. Dharmic means you're following the rules and playing with that beauty. That is marriage. That is Rajoguna. Below we can say Tamoguna. Satoguna is when you develop Vairagya. You understand? No meaning in it. That is Satoguna. You come to Satoguna, it doesn't mean attachment. Satoguna means detachment. Correct? Duty. You understand? You are on a higher platform. You don't do any activity because of attachment. That is Rajoguna. That will again pull you down. But Satoguna means there is no attachment. Person dealing in the world as a matter of duty, but is clearly conscious. It's just a bag of stool and urine. All our relations, our attachments, only bag of stool and urine. But dutifully deals in this world. That is Satoguna. But still not the highest. Most people today, Kali Yuga means Tamoguna. You raise them to Rajoguna. I just say so many times, heroes in the movies is Rajoguna and the villain is Tamoguna. Okay? But they will not teach you Sattvic knowledge. How? Correct? Whole movie what they are doing? They will show hands of the actress, and they will show the chest of the hero nowadays. They will make what they call 7S, whatever. Yeah, because they are rasic, tamasic people, and the audience is also animal. They are also animals. They are showing that. Just imagine a dog is showing to another dog to look at my bike. So what way it is different? What way it is different? Just low class people. Then still higher comes Satoguna, where a person is able to understand it's a packet of stool and urine. It is a very nice example which makes us show how we are cheated by Maya. So Sattvic man means he is in knowledge. He doesn't want to be cheated. So he is detached from this thing. So that is again a great thing. But then above that is to understand that actually the beauty belongs to the soul. Beauty is not of the body. Body is just a packet of stool and urine. The next stage. That is also better. Much better than the tamasic fellow, rasic fellow, sattvic. He understands what? That actually the body, there is no beauty. The beauty is in the soul. The body is just a packet. That is next level. Correct? He separates body and the soul. Doesn't mean that he makes body into soul. He understands body is obnoxious, stinking body. He obnoxious. He separates the body and the soul. He is better. Manushyanam sahasreshu kashyat yatati siddhaye. Okay? So the person endeavors, he understands that I want perfection in life. And for me, the perfection of life is not to be cheated by this so-called beauty of this world, but understand I am not body, I am a spirit soul. Okay? The next level to that is that he looks for real beauty then. Okay, I understood. This body is only a packet of stool and urine. I should look for real beauty. Beauty is in the soul. But then he starts looking for the beauty. Then he sees the Paramatma form of the Lord. That is the next stage. This is beautiful Paramatma stage, form of the Lord, which is now real beauty. Because I was looking for beauty. I was looking for beauty. That means beauty exists. But in this world, it doesn't exist. In this world, it's only a packet of stool and urine. Therefore, his focus is his heart. And the beautiful form of the Paramatma is situated in his heart. We are all looking for beauty outside. All of us, everybody. In a bus, they'll sit on window seat because they want to see beauty outside. Everywhere, no? Apartment also, they want somewhere they can see. So everybody is very keen, searching for beauty, but he doesn't understand the beauty is not outside. It's a Paramatma in the heart, which is extremely beautiful. And when a yogi sees the Paramatma in the heart, he becomes stunned. It's the beauty he has been looking for. Therefore, Narad Muni, when he got darshan of the Paramatma, what does Prabhupada say in the Bhagavatam? The famous beautiful line, what we are waiting to see life after life, Narad Muni saw now. Life after life, we are waiting to see the real beauty. We are getting ensnared, enchanted by wrong beauty. But we see the real beauty. Correct? People whole life, their plan is that only. I'll work hard, I'll have a lot of money, then I'll enjoy beauty. What is that cat and dog life you're having? Tuchha life. Okay, do it in a dharmic way, something better than a tamasic person, but he's still an animal only. There's nothing big deal about you. But a person now who has come to Sattva-guna, then after that he has understood, I am not body, I am a spirit, soul. Then next he has understood, real beauty is in the Paramatma. Paramatma is so beautiful. So Dadichi is of that category. A Devatas of the category of religiously enjoy life. That is Devatas. No Papa Karma. Punya only. Religiously enjoy life. That's it. And where is the Dadichi situated? And there are many gurus they have who are on the spiritual level understanding I am not body, I am soul. And some gurus even have more knowledge that I am not, that the Lord is there as Paramatma. Satchit knowledge. Three aspects of the spiritual existence: eternity, knowledge and bliss. So there we understand the real beauty belongs to the soul. He doesn't waste his time in the foolish beauty of this world. Just looks at the beautiful. Heart is enchanted, but is enchanted by the real beauty. And looks at the smile in the face of the Paramatma. Paramatma, the discussion is there in the Bhagavatam, as so gently smiling with so much compassion. He looks at the Paramatma in the heart, always smiling. Or the deity is always smiling. He doesn't look at opposite sex smiling. What is that? It's just a packet which is pulled. And it can artificially pulled without happiness also. But Paramatma is smiling with the real happiness. It's a spiritual body. And then next, after he understands that, he wants to join the eternal pastimes of the Lord and have real ananda with the real beauty in your beautiful form also. He goes to the spiritual world, and in the beautiful form that we also have, he engages in the loving pastime with the supreme beauty, the supreme personality of Godhead, and he experiences full satisfaction of the soul. So Krishna consciousness is not an artificial imposition of the mind. We see how systematic it is. Correct? Now it is for us to choose where we want to stay. 99% people in Kali Yuga today are on the tamasic level, grossly engaging in sinful activities, and in a way that they cannot even pull out of this enchantment. They don't want to be pulled out also. Just a tattika kida, you pull it out, runs back to it. They want to be enchanted by the false beauty of this world. That is the tattika kida, obnoxious. If the choice is there, you can lift yourself up. The choice is there, correct? We see people, even very grown-up people, still enchanted by this false beauty of this world. Very degrading. And there was that example, no? Akbar and Birbal. When Birbal told Akbar what? Akbar said to Birbal that at old age we lose sex desire. Birbal said, no, sir. What are you talking? Akbar said, this time you're wrong. He said, no, I'm not wrong. You wait one day. So one day he told Akbar, come quickly with your beautiful daughter. The kings used to have generally beautiful princesses. So he came running, dressed up, and then he told daughter, get ready, we have to go somewhere. Birbal is taking somewhere. We don't know where, what he's up to now, I don't know. So they went to the house, and where a man was about to die. So Akbar, when he entered, the man was very happy. The king came to see me when I'm about to die. But then his eyes was not on the king. It was a focused samadhi on his daughter. So Akbar understood. Even at the time of death, he is after the false beauty of this world. So we should see that. See, spiritual life is not for a man who wants to live on foolishness. It is for a man who sees I am being cheated. I want to come out of this. What should I do? Correct? Spiritual life is for a person who does not want. He first introspecting. He is seeing I am being victim. I have become an ass in the hand of Maya. What should I do? I don't want to live like this. This is animal life. Animal cannot come out. Dog is there, and the she-dog is there just staring at us. He cannot come out of that. He has to be there only. But today, the 99% human civilization is exactly like a dog in a street. It cannot lift itself. And even if you go, they get angry. Why? This is life. This is my karma. There was once, I remember, one boy happened to be from the same college, maybe now 25 years younger. So I want to chat with you. I said, yes, what is it? I am from your same college. I said, okay, that's fine. Please tell me, what's your question? No, what happened? One girl is there from opposite community, and once I came near her, and I am feeling heavenly bliss. So I said, this is dog life. What are you talking? He became angry at me. Huh? I have to do my karma. This karma or what? This is an animal life. What is this karma? What are you talking? Whom are you cheating first? You behave like an animal. We have no problem with that. Why you are giving a color or religion for all that nonsense? You do your obnoxious activities like cat and dog do. So many are doing on the street. They are at least gentlemen. But you are a crazy man. You are trying to bring divinity to this obnoxious activity. You got it? Be a normal. Accept, yes, I am a fool in the street. That's fine. Why you are bringing an ahankara on yourself? Be obvious. Correct? Anybody says, what is it? Oh, Prabhu, what to do? My life is like a pig only. Yeah, be gentleman. That's a gentleman. But no, my life is divine. How it is divine? Same cats and dogs do in the street, you are also doing. What is your life? Your life is exactly life of an animal, which is totally stuck to the illusion of this false forms in this world. Okay? But you sachibore mare, latta. People become very upset and angry. Tell them the truth. And they do not want to be pulled out. They do not want to come out of this. And the whole life is a defeat. Para bhavastavad jatam yavan na jigyasa atma tattvam yavat kriya tavad idam manovai karmatvikam yena sharira bandha. The whole life is a defeat when a person doesn't question this. Animal cannot question. Can an animal question that? Donkey is seeing another sheep donkey. He is getting mentally agitated. He is thinking, what is happening to me? It is just another bag like me only. Why I am getting so attracted? What is there in it? It is only 4 legs, 1 tail, and I am looking at the tail only, and so nice the tail is, correct? A donkey will think in his own way, just like we think hairs are so nice. What a nice tail it is. Just like bolte hain na, what? Blonde is there or red hair, and people are enchanted. And then to further an enchantment, there are magazines, there are newspapers, there are movies, and we are watching them. Again, increasing our enchantment. Oh, we've gone crazy or what? You see that what people are discussing actually. So we should not be just like dogs are barking on the streets. That's what the people are discussing. They have created a social media. What is happening in that? Dogs are just barking. Therefore, it is called prajalpa. Just give up that prajalpa. We should be very cautious. Do not be cheated. And for the people who are cheated, keep away. Asasanga tyaga e Vaishnavachara. Vaishnava means he keeps himself away from the people who are cheated by Maya. And what are this behavior of these people? Stri sangi eka. They are always after opposite sex because that enchantment they can't come out. And Krishna bhaktara. And that is their demonic mentality. Even though they are so degraded, they want to think they are hero. They know the Krishna's instructions are against it, so they are against Krishna itself. Or they will cast aspersions on Krishna itself. So these kind of people we keep away. We don't want to hear them. I said again and again, do not hear inauspicious vibration from sinful people. Don't hear. That's all. So sometimes you go to office, boss is speaking something, but he's also a sinful man. You have to hear, but don't have any respect from in the core of the heart. Externally, yes. Yes, sir. How are you? At the core of the heart, have no respect. Because if you have respect, his enchantment will entice you also. It is so nice. And you are very submissive to him just because he has a long car or he has some money in his pocket. Then you are also destroyed. Correct? So we should be very, very careful.